सर वायर क्रिम्पिंग मशीन का मैं कैसे इंस्टॉलेशन होता वो मैं बता रही हूँ। ये सारे पार्ट्स हैं जो लगते हैं, ये मेरे पार्ट्स हैं। ये हमने मशीन ऑफ हो गई, यहाँ पे प्लग कनेक्शन होता है, पहले प्लग कनेक्शन होता है। ये पीछे ये प्लग है सर, ये प्लग है, वहाँ में हमने प्लग, वी कैन एडजस्ट द प्लग। दिस इज द फ्यूज, दिस इज द फ्यूज फॉर द, एंड देन आफ्टर देयर विल बी अ फुट पैडल। Here is you have to adjust. Here you have to adjust the foot pedal. Then after I'm starting the machine. Wait.
इसका ना लोड कम कर लेना चलाने के लिए।
This portion is the for, you have to adjust here for this side, and for back end side here you have to do. For the this side you have to adjust this portion, and for the back end you have to adjust this like that moment, and then after it will be come here like that. And for the loose it will be come like that. Okay, then after this is the portion for the एडजस्टमेंट। ये जो होगा ये इस तरह का होगा, इस तरह टर्मिनल आने के लिए होगा। इसमें ये जो प्लेट होंगी ये प्लेट लगेंगी इस तरह से, एडजस्ट होगी, इससे टर्मिनल आएगा, ये इसके लिए हुआ। अब आइए, ये अगर हम बैक एंड से ले रहे हैं तो इसके लिए ये ऐसे रहेगा, ऐसे रहेगा। ओके, ये जो पोर्शन है
हो गया।
दिस इज द पोर्शन फॉर द टर्मिनल होल्डिंग, दिस इज Allen key. Okay, now how to adjust this one light lamp. I'm opening it here. We have to, how to, this is the red portion for the manual, it not work, and for the red it work. Okay, now how to adjust the applicator. You have to move back, and you have to put out.
वेट।
You have to put out, then after you have to insert. Do. You have to keep this one portion is coming for adjusting. ये this is the locking position. This lock is coming for the locking the applicator, not the movement. ये लॉक कर देता है एप्लीकेटर को, ये मूवमेंट नहीं होने देता है। देन आफ्टर we have to say this portion is sir is setting the load setting. If load is too much high, so then you have to this portion more. Now load is low, that's why sir is doing downward.
You can see here its gap is too much according to the tool, so we will downward this portion. If load is every time you will change the applicator, do it up, then slowly do downwards, then you can see that load is perfect or not. क्योंकि अगर आपका लोड ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा तो उससे होगा क्या, अगर आप इसको फुट पैडल पे चला दोगे तो आपके जो आपके टूल्स हैं वो आपके डैमेज हो जाएंगे.
Sir, this portion sir is doing here load is low and here is load is English बांधता है. Here is the load downward, means load is increasing, here is the load decreasing, here is the load increasing. You can see that slowly downward.
When you will downward move it like this, it will go downward. When you will move like this, it will go upwards. When
Here is the load is decreasing, here is the load increasing. यहाँ पे load decrease हो रहा है, यहाँ पे load कम हो रहा है. उसके बाद ये जब perfect it will be settled, then you have to tight it.
जब भी आप टूल चेंज करो या फिर एप्लीकेटर चेंज करो, आपको हमेशा व्हेन एवर यू चेंज एप्लीकेटर और टूल, यू every time you have to check this load, then after run machine on foot pedal. Right now I am the load is you can see that there is too much speed, so that I can show you machine in automatic version. Means green means the foot pedal. When you press the foot pedal, then you can see the here it is a foot pedal.
And then after red light with on it, it's not a press it. So जब ने सर ने प्रेस किया तो नहीं हो, क्योंकि this is the okay. Now there is a some, it's a force what is will be the load, then after your diameter, then after it's a counting what how we have done, nothing is okay. Then if you have to zero, so you have to clear it, then the first time is started, and there is nothing, sir. Wait, sir. And then after, if you want to change the tool, you have to put out the applicator. Sir has if starting said that you have to put out this volt and then put out this, like that you have to put it, like that you have to put it properly. Then after there will be a 2 volts and 1 volt backside the applicator. This is the applicator backside 1 volt, like that. Middle one you have to open it, not this, not this, not this one. Okay, this one you have to open the volt, this and this, not this, only middle one only you have to open it. And this volt, this volt. Okay, and this you have to change it. If you can, if you have any doubt, you can contact sir. Thank you.